Kayne, Dr. Ross, and Black King Sebastian is out right now on location. He's doing a commercial right now. But as always, we're back in Texas. TX, baby.
Yeehaw!
And then
Stop
they won
right
72
there.
games.
Stop
That's
right
different.
there. Stop right. Stop.
Now, and I gotta tell you, I have some gold right here, straight from Texas. Let's get straight into these hot topics. So for our first hot topic, Arnold Schwarzenegger's son, all we have to say to you is he's swole.
Whoa there! Whoa there, buddy!
Bastard boy is representing you well, Arnold. On to our next hot topic. Kanye West and Kim Kardashian had a good family weekend in the Dominican Republic. They said it's good and healthy for them. Lies. Kanye West, all we want to say to you is you're trying to run for president, but you can't even run as a principal at a high school. So just stop. Just go home, take your meds, eat your soup, and enjoy the family. On to our next hot topic. Harry Hudson meets up with Kendall Jenner and Kylie Jenner in Naboo.
Okay.
Scandalous. On to our next hot topic. Noah Cyrus risked a braless wardrobe malfunction at her boyfriend's house. All I want to say about that is, Noah Cyrus, there's always a malfunction with you, and
I'm confused right now, G.
we're not hating on it. We're not hating. On our last hot topic, we have Cardi B. She has came out saying that she is done with people putting female artists against each other. Recently, in one of her music videos, she put together a lot of lower name female artists like Mulatto, Ruby Rose, and Megan Thee Stallion, and many others. And all I want to say, Cardi B, is Dr. Ross is here. I love what you're doing, Cardi B. Wonderful, wonderful. We could do some tracks together.
Damn, and a little woman forget your ex.
These were all of our hot topics. Stay tuned for the next Rose and Gold. And before we go off, before I shut it off, I just want to say, Rihanna, with your lingerie, partner with Rose and Gold Jamaican products. That's all I want to say to you, Rihanna. Keep being scandalous. These were all of our hot topics, and let's get straight into the horoscope of the day. Yeehaw! I'm in my get up today, G'd up from the feet up. But let's get straight into Leo's horoscope for today, August 9th, 2020, Sunday. You have always been big-hearted, Leo, and today is yet another day you will be forgiving someone who may have wronged you. Your straightforward nature may give some people the wrong impression that you are filled with superiority. But it won't take them long to realize that you appear this way because you don't believe in menacing words. You are blessed with great stamina and energy, and today you will especially feel like the top of the world. Before we end off this Rose and Gold, I just want to say, because I've been saying that 10 times, I just want to say, Rihanna, let's make money together. These are all of our hot topics. Thank you once again for stopping by on the Rose and Gold channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a fantastic day, and we're out.